So this is an introduction to SolidWorks for those who want to try. So when you open SolidWorks, you will be here. You'll see something like this and click the parts. And when you click the part, you will be here. So I'm going to start with trying things out here. There are lines, circles, and rectangles. So before I want to draw, I want to select the plane I want to draw in. There are three planes: top, uh, front, right, front, top, right. Yeah. So let's say I want to draw it on the front plane. If it's hard for you to decide and you can't see, you can always right click and then the I button here, it will show you the front plane. Okay, let's say you have something drawn here and you want to know if you can continue with the front plane or not. You can always change it, like start a new drawing in the top plane or right plane. So you can also show these, and you can do it manually. Also, you can choose this I option here, this drop down menu, and then show planes, and it will show you all three planes. But I have decided to draw on the front plane, so I'm going to remove them. Okay, so I'm going to right click on the front plane and sketch. Let's start with a circle. Um, it's better to start with the origo because that way SolidWorks will know exactly where we are drawing. But if you draw it somewhere here, you have to give the distance to let SolidWorks know how far it is. So I'm going to start with the origo. Click on the origo and then you will see this circle as you drag your mouse. I want it to be 100 millimeter, so click 100 and enter. It's 100 diameter. Oh, you can press escape to exit the comment. Yeah, so you can see now the color is black. That means it's fully defined. That means SolidWorks knows exactly where it is and it can convert it to 3D now. If it's not fully defined, it will be blue. Or if there's an error or it's too much, it might be yellow or red. So let's say I just want to draw a donut. So I'm going to draw another circle here and let's say 80. Okay. Okay, this looks a little small. I want to change this. So how do I change it? You can click on this 80 and here in the primary value section, you can change it to 70. Let's say we want 70. Okay, this looks better, but I want to change it more. So another way is you can double click it and then this will appear. Just type what you want, 60, enter, and okay, this looks much better. Click the okay here. Now it will close the dialog. Okay, we're ready to turn it into a 3D. So before that, we have to exit the sketch, go to the Features tab, and extrude. You can choose how much you want to extrude. Uh, by default, it might be 10, but I'm happy with 30. So this is 30 here, this length. You can see the arrow. You can also change the direction like this and make it go that way. But I want it this way. Okay, I want it 30. Okay, and click the OK. You have this circle thing, donut shaped, but I want it to be realistic. So I want to curve the edges as well. How do I do that? So in this features tab, there are a lot of options to revolve, sweep, and cut, make holes. Right now, we're going to try the fillet option. So there are two options, chamfers and fillets. I just want to go with the fillet, not chamfer. So I click the fillet and I want to curve the outer edges. There we go. It shows you in the yellow lines what's going to happen after you fill it. So the shape will be like this. Now, by default, it might not show you that. It might be here. Now you can't see what's going on or what exactly is happening. So it's recommended to click the full review button here and you can see what is going on basically. And I'm happy with this. 10 looks good. I also want it on the inside. So remember, you have to click the edges. Click the edge. I click this edge. Okay, now it looks good. And click OK. Nice, it's a donut. Let's say you don't want to see these lines when you draw something more complex. Okay, you just want to see the shape. You can go to this box icon and click it. Click this shaded option and no lines. You can see what's inside with these options. Black too, basically. Yeah, but I want it like the original. Okay, so that's basically it. We can try more in other videos. So you want to save the file, um, click the file option here and save as wherever you want to save. I just will save it to one folder here. Okay, and it's saved. To change these camera angles like this, I'm pressing the scroll down or the scroll up button in the middle of the mouse. Uh, just press and hold it and then move, and it will move wherever you want. And let's say I want to fix it to one plane so that it's in perfect alignment. Press Control 8 and it will align perfectly just to make sure that it's not bent like this or like this. Control 8. Yep, that's it. Thank you.